I'm not cleaning this up. I'm not. Oh yeah. You know, I better use some gloves for this. Victoria, what? Victoria, what are you doing? What are you doing? First you ruined the inside of my truck, now you just painted it? Abra alakazam, change these babies back as fast as you can.
Yes, I'm back, baby!
Get in the house, I'm changing you back. I don't know which magic word started all this, so I'm just gonna use.
Yes, I'm back, baby!
Cuckoo caca.
Time to feed the baby. Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! Payback!
There's a hidden egg in this video. Leave a comment below and let us know to see how it all began. I need to go watch it again and learn those magic words. Up. If you do that for us, we'll make some more of these baby videos. Now click the video on the right to see how it all began.